name of God is. I just stopped by here on tonight to reaffirm some things to you, just to reassure you on tonight that God is on your side, that when you leave out of this building, you're not going to have any doubt, that doubt that you came in here with tonight, whether or not God is for me, whether God is with me or not, because of what I'm going through and what I'm facing. On tonight, you're going to have reassurance, a reaffirmation that God is on your side. I want you to leave out of here tonight knowing that God has not given up on you. But he wants to be involved in every area of you.